Alright, big up on yourself, people. It is match day. Done nothing already. Me right now, I get myself ready to go down all the way down on Mobile. Early in the morning, 6 o'clock now. Woke up for about 4 o'clock this morning. Pack up, set up some other stuff. Pack up a whole heap of things. So you don't know. Down on Mobile. Supposed to reach Mobile by about 10 o'clock. By about 10, 11. So we can do the necessary stuff. But anyways, big up on yourself. It is match day, people. I want to say respect to everybody. Massive respect to the people. Show the support. So I like, hey, let me tell you, there's a set of people me and them always a cuss. And you know, let me tell you, I have the highest respect for them. And you have a few me and them no cuss as well. Let me tell you, me and who don't cuss. Me and Fresh God no cuss. Me and Wunu no cuss. Me and quite a few of them don't cuss, you know. But them keep me accountable. they really keep me accountable. But there's a few where me and them always a cuss. I'm not talking about the trollers. I'm not talking about man who just troll. You have two persons specifically, and I have the highest respect for them. I've never met them before in a life. I've never met them in a life, but I have the highest respect for them because despite the difference in opinion, me and them we share same sentiments in many things, but we always of course Cyan Hall and Nitro. Me and them too smart also. Me and them cuss the most, me probably say. Me not talk about the trolls, them. More people just come say some bad stuff. These two smart, me I tell you, them keep me. They keep me grounded in certain way. Like, and I have to respect that. Even sometimes, well, most of the times, me and them not on the same page, so we always dispute certain things. They do keep me grounded in many ways. I have to respect that. So big up on yourself every time. I have to separate them two persons there, because basically them two some of them and them all of course. But me have to show them me have the highest level of respect for two of them, because the man enough when them wrong and tell me say they're wrong. When they're right, they stand their ground. And when me wrong, me have to say no, say, alright, you're right, and then no. Sometimes me use deflection tactics on them, sometimes. But when me wrong, me admit to them, say, alright, me wrong on that aspect and such. But me have to give them big respect. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. You are going now, people, a match day. We'll play Trinidad today. And the thing is, I don't want the narrative. There's a narrative going around. Let me tell you the narrative and pick up already. Early pick up a narrative. It's like if we win the game, they're going to say it's not Trinidad main team, quote unquote. But if we lose the game, you're going to hear say the JPA players them not even can beat Trinidad. I don't approach the game that way there. Personally, I don't want us to approach the game the way there. What we should do in this game is look at the team, look at the players who are playing, and say, alright, what can these players offer? What can these players offer? What exactly can these players offer, if anything, to the World Cup squad? Or which one of these players has the potential to be a part of the World Cup squad? Now, many persons already are going to say none. And fine, that's your opinion. A lot of persons. But I wanted to go and watch this game with an open mind. So, alright, let me take out all my free narrative out of my head. Let me just watch the players play. Now, it's quite difficult because when you look at the level that is being played, it's not like we play against a Brazil or something there. A Brazil or a phone ring. Give me a minute. A Brazil or Argentina. So even if the person play good, you can have a second thought. Say, all right, this is against a low level opponent. Against a low level opponent. What's going to happen if he buck up on a real opponent? So that is also a context that we have to look at. And I agree with that 100%. We have to look at that context. But we can also isolate the situation and say, all right, fair enough. But let's see how well he does against these opposition first before we can say, all right, him look good. Him look good. So I don't want to go in a game and we start watching a game under the microscope of narrative. But for this game though, I do expect the team to go out there and put in a performance. I'm expecting I really expecting the overall gameplay should be good. As I said, the Jamaica Premier League has gotten way more competitive. It has gotten way more inclusive. You see, you have a lot of different nations or different nationalities in the Jamaica Premier League. So we're getting the best players from all different aspects of region in the Caribbean, sometimes outside of the Caribbean, to come and play in the JPL, which means that the quality generally I improve. All teams right now we even have players in the JPL who come from England who are playing at like League 1 or League 2 at that level. We have players that were playing in that level, and it's quite interesting. It's very, very interesting to see what is happening, and I expect that with this bunch of players, I'm expecting at least some sense of good football, at least minimum some sense of good football. Entertainment factor, we will see players showing their display. But one thing I can say now, this is a message to the players. This is a big opportunity for them, a huge opportunity for them to showcase what they can do and how they can impress the coach. Now, we know it's difficult to make the squad, but this is your opportunity. If you can't perform against Trinidad, you will not put a name in the raffle bag to make the World Cup squad. If you cannot perform against Trinidad, you will not put a name in the raffle book to make the World Cup squad. So first and foremost, perform good in this game. If possible, batter them. If possible. And showcase what you can do. I'm not saying play selfish or the game is only about you. All I'm saying is perform at your best as a team player, as a unit. This is the opportunity for you to stake a claim. Not saying that it have to happen or coach are going to say no, but at least this is your opportunity. At least the opportunity was given. So it can't be a case in which when the two friendlies are done and I'm gonna say, boy, I'm gonna make a national squad. You got the opportunity to impress the coach. The coach put on two friendlies and you got the opportunity. It's quite an interesting aspect. I do want to see a good game. I'm expecting a win. Maybe I'm gonna say probably 2-0. I think 2-0. Yeah, 2-0. Of course, 2-0. A good thing of that, man. No, man, 2-0. I'm gonna say 2-0. Goal scorers. Goal scorers. I think Calvin. I'm gonna say Rhyme Edwards if he play. If Rhyme play, I'm gonna say Rhyme will score. If Rhyme play, I feel like he must score. Yeah, probably Rhyme or Calvin, or John Mara Calvin. But it would be interesting to see how that goes. Yeah, 2-0. Just put on a good display, entertain the supporters, entertain the persons who watch. Because a lot of persons are you have persons looking forward for these players to do well, and you also have players looking forward for these players to not do well, so that's the case. See they're not good. So you have different scopes. So this is an opportunity. Take it with both hands, make it count. Let it count. Make it count. And it's an important one. Anyways, this is just a small preview. I don't know anything already. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Hit subscribe button. Maybe go in the comment section and tell me. Maybe we might do a travel vlog, like our travel live stream, like on the route. We do a live stream and we just chat and discuss en route to Mobile. So let me know in the comment section if you're interested in that. We could see I go down. Big up people. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. And I mean, God bless.